Hello everyone, my name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. If you are a boho or neutral interior style lover, today I prepare for you 3 DIY home decor projects which you might want to add to your home. Easy to make decorations which won't cost you a fortune but will definitely add unique touch to your space. I created many boho DIY projects on this channel. I put them all in one playlist, so make sure to check it out after this video. I will leave the link to it down below. And now let's get right into today's ideas. To create my first project, I cut out paper flower petal. It's about 4.5 centimeters wide and 8 centimeters high. One of its ends is straight and one is pointy. The best fabric to use for this project is something similar to muslin or linen cloth. Something what will keep its shape up. I trace the lines around my template and then cut them out. For one flower, I'm using 14 petals. When I cut them out, I try to cut them without the pen black lines. Then I cut each petal about 2 centimeters on its straight edge. I overlap these two parts and glue them with hot glue. This way I created more realistic and convex petal. For the center of the flower, I take hemp fabric and remove some of the fibers. Then I wrap this long piece around a barbecue skewer. Secure it with hot glue. Now it's time to add the petals and create the flower. I put the glue onto the stick and attach one petal at a time. I glue few in one height and then go slightly lower. Layer the petals to make this flower look more realistic. To finish it off, I cut out another piece of fabric and cover the bottom part of the flower. I think this project is a great idea if you want to add floral and neutral touch to your space. Can be displayed on its own or it looks interesting together with pampas grass. To create the ring sculpture, I start with creating the ring out of cardboard. This won't be a heavy decoration, so cardboard will be definitely enough. You can make it as big or as small as you like. Length of the jute yarn will depend on how big you want the decoration to be and how wide is your ring. To attach them, I'm using lark's head knot. Always start from the same place. I want the whole ring to be covered and string to be very close to each other. This type of yarn is great for this project because it's quite hard and stays straight up. The ring is fully covered, all knots are tight and straight. Just like this, it doesn't look great. To make it look fuller, I start untwisting each cord. Then I brush them with comb and trim to the same length. It already looks so much better and fuller. It looks like a lion's mane. I've tried to add some extra detail with white feathers, but at the end I removed them. Prefer the look without them. As the base I will use these wooden blocks. I was going to use one big piece of wood, but I found these in my drawer and thought it will look interesting. They are in two colors and I put them alternately. 4 smaller cubes to create one bigger. To be able to add the other part of my sculpture to this base, I have to drill a small hole in the middle. If you use just one wood block, you will also have to do it. I glue one end of the stick to my ring and other one I push in inside the hole. Great piece of decor on a budget. You can create 2 in different sizes for more complete look. Previous project was really inexpensive to make, but this one is even cheaper. I start with cutting 3 straps from craft paper. I reuse the paper from my Amazon parcel. I cut about 7 centimeters wide straps. Each of these straps I crease with my hands. I collect them together, tape their ends to the table and braid. Try to keep the same thickness on the whole length. As a base for my new planter, I will use old plastic bucket. I remove the parts which I don't want and cover its surface with piece of craft paper. Using hot glue, I start attaching my first braid at the bottom of the container. If you prefer, you can make one very long braid and keep wrapping it around. I prefer to have straight rows. Each braid I start gluing from the same line, so only back of the container doesn't got the clean look. I was left with not enough space for one more braid, so I decided to cut off the top part which was sticking out. To cover the white part and give this plant a nicer finish, I wrap the hemp fabric around it. I glue it into the front, wrap around the edge and glue the excess inside. Then I have enough space to add one more braid. So easy and inexpensive project. Braids add texture to this planter, making it a very interesting piece of decor. Let me know in the comment section which project was your favorite, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget about the like button and subscribe to my channel for more ideas. And for now, thank you so much for watching, your support, and I will see you in my next video.